splash and spin. Now sister shark is diving in. Three little sharks glide some more. Here comes brother from the shore. Four little sharks swim alive. Mommy shark makes number 5. Let's keep counting, join the mix. Daddy shark makes number 6. 7, 8, they swim in a line. Baby comes back, now there's 9. One more splash and then again. All the sharks make it to 10. Now let's count them one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sharks are swimming, having fun. Counting's done. Wasn't that fun?